Huawei MBB strategy in general is to empower mobile network operators with the best technical innovations in order to provide best customer experience and multiple plays in terms of valued services to the end user. We also believe that mobile broadband is going to take the role of connecting things the same way as it did for connecting people. I mean, connected stadium is at the heart of this strategy because of the massive traffic that is happening there, and also the great opportunity by having all of the customers with thousands and thousands in one place using the network with the best valued services. The telecom industry is experiencing an open ecosystem. So basically the one-on-one relationship between the mobile network operator and the consumer is not there anymore. What we have actually, we have an open ecosystem. So basically the mobile network operators, the vendors, the third-party application suppliers, the big data analytics platforms, cloud service providers, etc. All of those are getting together to provide an integrated solution. So mobile network operator need to be part of this. This is number one. And number two, still the network is the foundation to provide the valued services with the best experience. It is the most important, actually, productive force for the operators. So operators still need to update, to expand, to enhance their pipe so that they are ready to provide ICT services anytime they want for the valued customers. If we talk about the technology itself, a 4.5G and 4G LTE Advanced, they have been so successful in expanding the pipe and providing good connectivity, especially for video actually. We have the LAMP site, which is a combination of Cloud RAN and small cells, which basically provide a very key and a very successful solution for data accessibility inside the spectrum, inside the stadium. If you combine virtualized platform with a small cell, that will make a win-win situation in terms of opening up the network to third-party applications. I can mention two examples actually. They are both in Beijing in China. The first one is the Beijing Workers Stadium, and that stadium we provided LTE LAMP site network solution. And for that, the good thing about this project actually, and the reason I'm mentioning it, I want to emphasize the value of having flexible and agile solution because we started by 10 small cells, and then we expanded those to about 50 small cells just by remote software. Number two example is the Beijing National Stadium, which we call it Bird Nest. So on that stadium, this is actually the stadium that hosted the 2015 Athletic Championship, and we provided the same solution there. And just some data point to tell you how much traffic can be carried out of those events. In one day, there was more than 400 users online on that on one cell, and that carried traffic up to 250 gigabytes. Single best big innovation for connected stadium will come from best cooperation between all parties, all of the stakeholders. You cannot actually provide the good technology to one of the parties like venue's owner or the mobile network operator, and there is no good cooperation model between the stakeholder. So I would say a win-win business plan and business model utilizing this technology will be the key for providing unlimited ICT services for the fans, because at the end of the day, we all working for the fans. Big cities in general, all over the world take up to 80% of the traffic, and stadium are part of it. So if I can describe it by one sentence, I would say it's the single best opportunities for the mobile network operator to brand themselves in the marketplace by providing the best customer service experience as well as the best valued services so that they can keep and retain their seat in the middle of the stage.